Am I wrong for not punishing my 7-year-old daughter for her play relationships? My husband and I have a 7-year-old daughter together, Layla. A few months ago, Layla got a boyfriend, Lucas. They're both 7, so it's obviously not a real relationship. They just hold hands sometimes, and they drew each other these cute little hearts for Valentine's Day. This week, Layla was apparently holding hands with another boy, and this boy also sent Layla a Valentine's Day card and letter. Well, Lucas took offense to it. We found out because Lucas' parents called to tell us that Lucas won't be coming over to hang out at our place this Saturday like we thought. He said it was because he was mad at Layla. My husband wants us to punish Layla and wants me to have a talk with her about faithfulness. At first I thought he was joking, but no, he was serious. He says that Layla cheated on Lucas and I, as her mother, should do something about it. I told my husband that Layla's 7. She's not a cheater and I won't treat her as such. He then accused me of raising a cheater and encouraging the bad behavior. So am I wrong for not wanting to punish Layla? Honestly, this situation is just weird to me anyways because, I don't know, like that's why you don't let a 7-year-old have a play relationship. They don't understand the gravity of it and they're way too young to be getting into stuff like that. So in my opinion, no, I wouldn't punish my child for holding somebody's hand or anything, but I wouldn't allow my child to think that they're in relationships at 7. That's so weird. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Also, guys, you have to rate my newest domino set. I just had some extra resin and I made these dominoes. I didn't really know what color I wanted to use for the back, but I decided to go with black. And I don't know, I think it came out super cute. So let me know what you guys think and rate these from 1 to 10.